Introducing SmartyPlants, the smart monitor for your plants.
It can be hard to know what your plants need, which is where SmartyPlants comes in. It analyses all your plants' needs and tells you exactly how to keep them happy and healthy, which will help you turn your houseplants from this into this.
SmartyPlants measures everything a thriving plant needs, from soil moisture to light levels, temperature to humidity, even soil nutrients.
With alerts and notifications to let you know exactly what your plants need, whether you're into succulents, tropicals, ferns, climbers, orchids, cacti or carnivorous plants. You'll have tailored advice right at your fingertips. Looking for a new plant? The sensor can even analyse the conditions in your room and recommend a plant that can thrive. So whether you're a serial plant killer or a total plant fanatic, stop wasting your money harming the environment replacing your plants. With SmartyPlants, you can get to know your plants better so you can grow together.
Back SmartyPlants today to help make plant care smarter.